So I'm going to use the pink one here, so the light pink one. And I'm just going to take off some of the really dark that I have on there right now. I'm getting some of the true bubble bath. So again, I can go right into that color. Now this is a much darker color, so I would take off a fair bit. And now we're just going to I'm going to do that in the center of the butterfly. And I think I'm going to go right into a little bit of the Blackberry Bliss. Just a tiny little bit. I could have brought in my purple too. Maybe just up here. Almost the wrong one. Okay, so you can have fun with these. So I'm not using a very heavy touch here. I'm using a really light touch. Okay, mostly in circles, but because it's not going anywhere, I'm also going back and forth a little bit. Okay, so then what we've done is we've created our butterfly.